gonna lay it all down in here and give you guys a quick review before. All right guys, so the floor is completely done. So whether you guys are doing this for a workout room, maybe you're gonna do it for a child's room, a playroom, something like that. So I rated about... What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel, we just learn as we go. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be doing a floor swap on our basement floor down here. We've been using it as a workout room, so I think it's about time that we put some mats down. I'm gonna give you guys a quick review of the mats that we got from Harbor Freight, let you guys know if they're worth getting. So if you guys are looking to do a project like this, make sure you subscribe down below. We got plenty more coming. Make sure you guys like. Thank you guys for being here. Let me know what you guys think. Have you used the floor as well? Let's hop into this right now. So as you guys can see, we got hardwood down in here. This used to be a bedroom, but we converted it to a workout room. And we have this nice little Gorilla mat down, but it's not good enough right now. So we went to Harbor Freight tools and we got these. These are probably about 1/4 inch thick. Should be good enough to do what we got to do. So we're gonna pop these babies open. They're held together by these little teeth. And we're gonna also use some mat tape and we're gonna lay it all down in here and give you guys a quick review before and after. So we have this Gorilla mat, and Gorilla mats are pretty much considered the best of the best when it comes to mats and stuff like that. So we're using this. This is about the same thickness as what this is. So we're just going to be laying this in the corners all around, and we're going to be making this our nice little floor. So you guys can see that it's pretty nice. It'll work for what we need it for. It provides a nice cushion, and when you're working out, that's really all you're looking for. So I want to give you guys a little update or tip on this. So I had to buy 2 different sets of these mats. You guys can see the different colors here, and they don't line up. So even though it's the exact same manufacturer, I guess it's a different cut, and the color difference is also different. So that's kind of bad. But the main thing is that these don't line up. So if we line it up here to go with the other side, it doesn't line up with the new side. So this is off. So we might have to modify this a little bit in order to make it work, and I expect it to be like this for every area that we have to connect the old mat to the new mat. Harbor Freight, you did a bad job. So I'll give you guys a quick look at what we did. We're trying to troubleshoot this a little bit. I just said that obviously you guys can see the different colors. So these are different cuts of Harbor Freight pads or whatever. So what I did was I used the strip from the other ones and I kept it on here so you guys can see that here. So I kept the strip on and I wound up cutting this side so the teeth are no longer here. And what's going to happen now is that this is going to slide in, but what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to put a piece of tape or a couple pieces of tape here now in order to make sure that this stays connected, because without the teeth it's not going to stay connected anymore and it's going to wiggle and move around. So we'll put the tape down, but we're going to have to do that on a couple of the spots where these different color pieces meet. So I don't really know what the solution is because they all come in different kinds of batches. Maybe buy a couple and just mix and match, but right now this is our solution. I think it should work. So if you guys wind up doing this, let me know if you guys have any struggles or if you guys wind up doing anything like this as well. Alright guys, so the floor is completely done. Overall, it actually feels pretty nice. It gives you a nice cushion. It's a 1/2 inch thick, and it gives you a lot of stability. Nothing's moving around at all. So it is locked to the ground, and basically what you need to do is you need to have some tape or something like that in order to put it down on the bottom of there, and it stays together really well. The caveat, the issue that I had with all this was the fact that the pieces don't match. So if you're buying this, doing this yourself, guys, make sure that you do it where you buy multiple lots at the same time, because otherwise you're going to run into the issues that I ran into here. And you can get through them with a little ingenuity, but you shouldn't have to. It really increased the install time of this to about 3 days as opposed to wanting to do it in 1. But overall, it came out pretty good. So we went from a hardwood floor in here that you guys saw to, which didn't really provide too much cushion or anything, obviously. It was good for working out, but this gives a lot of cushion. We got our extra mat here as well. So we have a lot of room in here now, and we're able to do everything that we need to in here, and this floor will really help with that. So whether you guys are doing this for a workout room, maybe you're gonna do it for a child's room, a playroom, something like that. Maybe you wanna do it for your garage, a work area, a shed. I recommend this flooring with the caveat that I went over. So I rated about maybe a 3.5 stars due to the, probably due to the fact that it was painstakingly difficult to install, but the pieces that did go together pretty easily, it was pretty good. So overall, about 3.5 stars. If you got all of them in the same way, I'd probably say it's 5 stars. The quality's good, seems nice, so installed pretty easily overall, so we're happy with it. Let me know what you guys think about the install, about the Harbor Freight aspect of this, and buying this stuff from Harbor Freight, it's a lot cheaper. These were about $10 each. I got 11 of those, so I spent about $150 in total with 11 of the actual flooring tiles and 2 rolls of the flooring tape. I'll put links down below if you guys want to pick it up. Let me know your experience with this stuff, guys. And stay tuned for more future DIY projects. Thank you guys for being here. Subscribe down below, like, comment. Thanks for being here, guys.